Today's June 10th, 2018, and it's been a little over a week since our last update. And the tomatillo plant, I only had one, and I realized I needed at least two because they don't self-pollinate. Over there on the left, I've got a couple tomatillo plants, but I'm still going to focus on the Autopot one. And as you can see back there, lots of flowers, growing well, so looking pretty good. So hopefully we'll cross-pollinate. And then the next one is our tomato, and I don't remember what kind of tomato that is, but there's got some tomatoes growing already. There's one way down there in back, and then multiple ones starting to grow, so looking good. And this one's our Eva purple ball, and has a big tomato there, and as you can see, two of them there, a couple here, and still, oh, there's some more. So kind of sporadic there, but definitely getting some tomato growth there. And then back there's our poblano, and also some poblanos are growing. So those are also looking pretty good too. And this is the yellow pepper. It has a pepper down there. And then more peppers, smaller ones growing around. So it looks great. And this is our serrano. So multiple serrano peppers. You can see really small right now. There's kind of a little tiny one right there at my fingertip, and he looks good. And then the sugar snap peas, which we replaced the kale a few weeks ago, and it's got a little flower there. I've never grown those, but those look good. And so yeah, every plant looks good, growing nicely, and we'll continue our updates.